What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Are you completely tired of experiencing frame drops, annoying stuttering, and having to constantly turn down your graphics settings just to get a somewhat smooth gaming experience? Or maybe you are a digital content creator who is sick and tired of waiting hours for your video editing software to render your latest project. What if I told you that in 2026 you absolutely do not need to spend hours researching individual computer parts, stressing over motherboard compatibility, and building a PC yourself to get elite, top-tier performance? Today, we are taking a massive, comprehensive deep dive into a true modern powerhouse. We are looking at the MSI Vision ZS gaming desktop PC, specifically the highly sought-after 9NVP2068US model. This absolute beast of a machine is packed with some of the most powerful hardware on the market today, featuring the heavily anticipated AMD Ryzen 79800X3D processor, paired up with the next-generation NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. Whether you are a hardcore gamer wanting to completely max out a 4K monitor, a dedicated streamer, or a professional video editor handling massive files, this rig promises to handle absolutely everything you throw at it without breaking a single sweat. In this video, I am going to break down every single detail, from the physical design and the insane performance specs to the liquid cooling system, and help you decide if this pre-built PC is actually worth your hard-earned cash. Spoiler alert for those of you who are impatient, this exact model currently holds a flawless 5.0 out of 5-star rating on Amazon for a very, very good reason. If you want to check the current pricing, read those customer reviews for yourself, or pick one up today, I have put a direct link right at the very top of the description below. Prices fluctuate all the time on Amazon, so make sure you click that link right now to see today's absolute best deal. Alright, let us get right into this review by talking about the physical design and the overall build quality. The MSI Vision ZS is a classic, aggressive computer tower that comes in a sleek, stealthy, and highly premium black finish. It sits exactly where you want a high-end gaming rig to be, measuring precisely 18.56 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 19.5 inches tall. It is a very substantial piece of hardware, weighing in at a very solid 46.8 pounds. That weight is incredibly important because it instantly tells you that this case is not made of cheap, flimsy plastics. It is packed to the brim with high-quality components, thick metals, and heavy-duty cooling solutions. MSI definitely knows how to build a good-looking machine, and this model comes completely decked out with built-in, highly customizable RGB lighting that shines beautifully through the chassis, allowing you to perfectly match the PC to your specific gaming room aesthetic or studio vibe. As a massive bonus for those of you who might be buying your very first high-end desktop, MSI even includes dedicated input devices right in the box. You get a high-quality human interface gaming keyboard featuring a standard QWERTY layout alongside a dedicated gaming mouse. Literally all you need to provide is a monitor, and you are entirely ready to plug this beast into the wall and start playing. Now, let us actually look under the hood, because the internal hardware is where the MSI Vision ZS completely separates itself from the rest of the competition. At the very heart of this desktop is the incredibly powerful AMD Ryzen 79800X3D processor. If you follow PC technology, you already know that AMD's X3D line of processors are the undisputed heavyweight champions of the gaming world. The 3D V-cache technology physically stacked on this processor allows your games to access memory insanely fast, which completely eliminates those annoying micro-stutters in massive open-world games and competitive multiplayer titles. Sitting on the reliable socket AM4 platform, this processor boasts an impressive base speed of 4.7 GHz, and it can boost all the way up to a blistering maximum speed of 5.2 GHz when your system is under heavy load. But please do not think this is only a machine for gaming. Because this is a high-end Ryzen 7 processor with incredible multi-threading capabilities, this makes this personal computer incredibly capable for everyday use and highly intensive video editing. If you are a digital content creator rendering high-resolution videos for YouTube, working on complex graphic novel illustrations, or putting together incredibly detailed ancient fantasy concept art in 3D rendering software, this CPU will drastically cut down your waiting times and speed up your entire workflow. But, as we all know, what is an amazing processor without a phenomenal graphics card to match? MSI absolutely did not hold back in this department. This specific model is fully armed with the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 video processor, packing a massive 12 GB of lightning-fast GDDR7 memory. Yes, you heard me correctly, GDDR7, the absolute cutting edge of graphics memory bandwidth. Connected seamlessly via the PCIe interface, this GPU is an absolute monster. It fully supports a maximum display resolution of 3840 by 2160, meaning it's built from the ground up for stunning 4K gaming at a cinematic 16 by 9 aspect ratio. If your native resolution is 1920 by 1080, this dedicated graphics card will effortlessly push hundreds upon hundreds of frames per second, allowing you to fully maximize those high refresh rate monitors for competitive esports titles. With 12 GB of VRAM, you have more than enough overhead to crank up the highest texture settings in modern AAA games without experiencing any bottlenecks or crashes. Furthermore, the RTX 5070 makes this rig completely VR-ready right out of the box. Simply plug in your virtual reality headset and you are instantly ready to dive into the most immersive and graphically demanding virtual reality experiences available on the market today. If you've been patiently waiting for the right time to upgrade your graphics setup, this 2026 model is precisely what you've been looking for. Once again, if you're curious about the current price for this exact configuration, just tap that link down in the description below. Moving on to memory and storage, because system bottlenecks are simply not an issue you will ever have to worry about with the Vision ZS. MSI has generously equipped this machine with 32 GB of DDR5. DDR5 is the brand new gold standard for computer memory, offering drastically higher speeds and significantly more bandwidth compared to the older DDR4 generation. 32 GB is the absolute perfect sweet spot for modern power users. You can easily have a graphically demanding game running on your main monitor, Discord open on the side, Spotify playing your favorite playlist, and 20 dozen Chrome tabs open simultaneously without experiencing a single hiccup or slowdown. And the absolute best part about this setup, the motherboard supports a maximum memory size of up to 96 GB, meaning you have an amazing, very straightforward upgrade path years down the line if you ever feel the need for more memory. For your storage needs, you get a massive 2 TB solid-state drive. Specifically, this is a lightning-fast NVMe SSD. 2 TB is a fantastic amount of space. Modern games can easily take up well over 100 GB each, but with a 2 TB SSD, you can confidently store your entire Steam game library, all of your massive video editing projects, and all your heavy software applications without constantly having to delete old files to make room for new ones. Because it's a high-end solid-state drive, your boot times into the pre-installed Windows 11 home operating system will literally take just a few seconds, and those frustrating loading screens in your favorite games will become practically non-existent. Now, with all of this incredibly powerful hardware generating a ton of heat, you might be wondering how this PC stays cool under pressure. MSI has proactively implemented a premium water cooling method to ensure maximum thermal efficiency. Specifically, this unit features a massive 330mm all-in-one liquid cooler for the CPU. A 330mm radiator ensures that even during those intense 5-hour-long gaming marathons, or while exporting a massive 4K video project, your Ryzen 7 9800X3D stays incredibly cool and stable. Better cooling means the processor can maintain that peak 5.2 GHz maximum speed for much longer durations without experiencing any thermal throttling whatsoever. When it comes to connectivity, the Vision ZS has you completely covered. For For your networking needs, you get the absolute latest wireless technology with Wi-Fi 6E, specifically the 802.11ax standard, giving you incredibly stable, ultra-fast wireless internet that honestly rivals a traditional hardwired connection. But if you do prefer wires for that extra ping stability, there's a built-in Ethernet LAN port right on the back. You also get built-in Bluetooth technology for seamlessly connecting your wireless headsets, speakers, and gaming controllers. Looking at the hardware interface and ports, you have a staggering 29 total USB ports available, which includes standard USB 2.0 for your basic peripherals and ultra-fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 for high-speed data transfers from your external hard drives or cameras. For video output, the RTX 5070 features 4 total component outputs, including multiple display ports and a dedicated HDMI port, making a complex multi-monitor setup incredibly easy to configure. So, what is the final verdict here? The MSI Vision ZS Gaming Desktop PC Model 9 NVP 2068US is an absolute triumph of 2026 PC engineering. By brilliantly combining the raw gaming dominance of the AMD Ryzen 79-800X3D with the incredible graphics rendering power of the NVIDIA RTX 5070, backing it up with 32 GB of cutting-edge DDR5 memory and providing a massive